And there are elementary school students who are asking, what's my bust size? Excuse me? Little boy. No.
Look. I'm excited. I'm a little scared now. It's getting more and more. Man, just watch what Japanese them do. I don't know if you're driving us, no, a lot of mercy. Oi.
I decided that it's not going to be just blood-related family experiences.
The community
Yes.
is family.
Things Jamaican. Promoting brand Jamaica. Hello, boom, bang, konnichiwa, wagwan, my Ari fam. What's up, what's poppin'? It's your girl Katie from the One Big Ari family, and I'm here with another video just to let you in a little bit of my life as an ALT, assistant language teacher in Japan. So first, I'd like to define what an ALT or who an ALT is. An ALT, as the word suggests, assistant language teacher, is someone who assists with teaching English language. Of course, there's a Japanese teacher who usually is in the class. It goes by case. For different situations, there may be some ALTs who are required to work by themselves, but for the most part, what we do is to facilitate the fun part of learning English. We don't really do much of the the writing and stuff like that and the in-depth part of it. We mainly do like games, and we deal with the listening and speaking activities. And so students usually love ALTs because we're the life of the English party. Hey. Yeah, so of course, as an ALT, you're coming from another country, you're a cultural ambassador, you're dealing with cultural exchange, and so one of the main things that you need to do is self-introduction, and that's where you talk about yourself and your country, and you can do a little bit of comparison with Japan, just to let them know what's going on in the world and things like that. So of course, I'm just going to share with you some quick things that happened to me, or some questions that were thrown at me during my self-introductory lessons, because once you're finished introducing yourself, then the students get an opportunity to ask you questions. So the first question that they love to ask: do you have a boyfriend? And of course, you don't have to answer it, darling. So I usually say, it's a secret. Secret. Yeah. Next question that they love to ask: how old are you? Oh, it's a secret. Now, we are cultural ambassadors, and we have to let them know that it's not okay. If we're having small talks or small conversation with someone that we just met, we don't ask them things like that. Do you have a boyfriend? How old are you? So I let them know that it's too intrusive, it's too personal. Ask general questions. Another question that they might ask you: how did you do your hair? How do I explain it? I don't know. I usually tell the Japanese teachers, because most times the Japanese teachers are there to facilitate understanding, because you explain, you speak in simple, slow English, but of course sometimes they still don't understand some terms, and so the Japanese teachers might give them translate whatever you've said. And I usually tell the Japanese teachers, I don't know how to explain this. It's just black girl magic, because next month they'll see me with another hairstyle, boo. Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't know how to explain this. And sometimes they think it's my hair. Like today, they asked, how long is your hair? Because it's so wrapped up. And the Japanese teacher was also discombobulated, and he said maybe it's here. I did not make them the wiser. Next month, when I wear a different hairstyle, it blows their minds all the time. I'm telling you, it blew their minds. Okay, they don't understand. I just tell them that her or hair is very, very different, and that's all. I don't know what else to say. So if you know any way that I can tell them about my hair, please leave it in the comment below, because I need help with that part. another question that they might ask you. So there are some Japanese students who are not necessarily as shy as the typical Japanese, I guess because of the, internet and TV, and they are exposed. Okay, this generation is like a new generation of Japanese. So I teach junior high school students and I teach elementary school students, and there are elementary school students who are asking, what's my bust size? Excuse me, little boy, no, that's not a question. Don't. So of course the teachers, in a little embarrassment, would tell them, no, damn it, don't ask that, because of course I'm not gonna answer that, and I'm gonna let them know that it's not cool. I'm not gonna smile and laugh about that. So some experiences that I've had, because of course we want to facilitate learning English as much as possible. So whatever they say in English, we praise them, right? We applaud them for that. So there was a particular case where one of the students said to me, "Oh, Katie Sensei, I have a big bag." And I said, "Wow, nice English." Then his friend said to me, "Oh, Katie Sensei, I have a penis." Little boy, I should have asked him where, what, because I'm not even gonna go there. But of course I told him, don't say that. And I'm not sure if they do this with the Japanese teachers. I doubt that they do, but because they feel like, oh, you're a foreigner, you're so cool, we can do cool things with you. I don't know, but they're learning. So yeah, just let them know it's not okay, it's not cool. So the big thing now, and being an ALT is such an exciting job, and you can really have fun with it. If you're not thin-skinned, if you're flexible enough, you can have fun with it. If you're thin-skinned and take everything personally, you're not going to do good at that job or at this job. Okay, so my final thing that I'm going to share with you is the icing on the cake. A junior high school boy, first grade 7 in Jamaica, or in America, grade 7, he asked me if I have a boyfriend. So I said no. Then students asking questions, came back around, held his hand up. Okay, are you married? I said no. Question, everybody asking question. Okay, yeah, Katie Sensei. Okay, hand went up again. What are you looking for in a man? Yeah. I'm like, okay, little boy, what I'm looking for in a man is everything that you are not. Grown, hardworking, tall, handsome. He's never really bad looking, but come on, little boy, you're not. What are you looking for in a man? Come on, trust me. These kids are something else. They asked me if I'm rich because I had Jamaican dollars showing to them, like $1,000, $500, $100, and they were real money. So I wanted them to see the real thing, and they thought that I was rich. Yeah. So life is an ALT. Such excitement. It can be tiresome trying to let people understand what you're saying, and communication barrier, but I really do enjoy my job. So if you're thinking about being an ALT in Japan and you're not sure how to start, you can link me on Instagram and I'll give you the details. No problem. Free of cost, of course. All right, once you have a degree, you can come to Japan and teach English language or work as a language assistant. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, it's free. Please like this video, share it out, share so that our channel can grow, and I'll see you in the next one. Boom bang, I'm out.